As you know from the title, I'm starting a new series called Cosplay Crack, where I'm just going to dress up as people on games or something that are easy to dress up as. Like now, and you know who I am for the title. So yeah, see you guys now. Gilby, what we doing? What we doing today? Huh? What we doing, Scary? Huh? All you want to do is look out the window, don't you? Don't you? Oh, you want food? You want food? You do? Okay, okay, break this bread up, you know? Sit. Like, this is a good boy. He sits. What are you telling him? You're not a good boy. Okay, so Scooby isn't hungry anymore. Aren't you not? I'll put the bread over here. Because I know you're not hungry. You just want food. You want to eat, don't you? Scooby. Come on. You gonna come with me? Do you know what we're doing today? I don't, didn't I? Didn't I? Probably looking at the reflection of himself in the camera. Scooby! Scooby! He wants food. Like, I know he's not hungry. I know you're not hungry, Scooby. No. Scooby, no. Come here. What's the strawberry juice? I'm gonna take a strawberry. Do you like strawberries? I know you do. I gave you one this morning. I gave you actually two. Just gonna put this in there. The actually thing that we're gonna do today, I'm gonna tell you when we get there. Good. How that? Do this. Come here. Scooby. Scooby, I'm gonna send you out. I'm not gonna send you out, I mean, sorry. You don't wanna go with me. This video's gonna be about you and me and what you think, you know? Scooby, I told you what we're doing. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna do it by myself, Scooby. I'm gonna do it myself. Okay? So I'm going outside. Oh, you're coming. Are you coming? Yeah? Come here if you're coming. You know it's over there. Scooby, what are you doing? Come on. So this is my back garden. Yeah. This way, and then the fire, and then the barbecue, and then, you know, bench. And Scooby! Scooby! Let's go on trampoline, Scooby. Let's go on trampoline. Huh? Yeah. You like trampoline, don't you? Don't you? Come on, let's go on trampoline. You gonna come? Scooby. What are you doing? You like trampoline, don't you? He loves to trampoline. We're on a trampoline, aren't we? Yes, we are. Scooby tried to dig his bones. My sister actually caught him digging stone with his nose once. No, really, so we have this kind of garden. Look at that fake Scooby. Yes. Yes. Scooby. Come on, let's jump. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What's wrong with... Hey, stop. Oh, he just wants to chase a tail, of course. What are you doing? You're crazy, doggy, aren't you? Look, oh, it does. It does. Here. Scooby, Scooby-Dooey, doo-doo-doo. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna sit up here. Okay? It's like a little bird dog. What are you doing? What are you doing, Scooby? You're crazy, dog, aren't you? Aren't you? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Ah, I'm gonna sit down here with you. Need you forever. Do you want to tell a story? What are you doing? He is a crazy doggy, and I love this strange. It's only a bird, Scooby. It's a bird. What's wrong? What's wrong, Scooby? Huh? You have some on your ear. Take up after the video. Are you gonna come back on with me? I'm down some on my computer, actually. Scooby! He wants to play with my phone, doesn't he? Do you want to play with phone, Scooby? Huh? That's his big bone that he has. Daddy Butcher, isn't that right, Scooby? He's on one side of my nose, actually, when he jumps up. Because he's a big bone. And you're a big, strong bone, yes you are. What are you doing? I'm going back inside. Huh? Yeah, look inside, Scooby. I don't know if you could see him. Wait, let me look. I don't know. I just don't know. Oh, Scooby, where are you going? You're looking out the window, aren't you? Aren't you? Yes, you are. Computer is on though, I know. There we go. Just move down something. You're outside the window to see if there's a little ducky roaming around. You know? That's Scooby. Scooby! Scooby! This Scooby is gonna be a bit. This video is gonna be almost a bit Scooby. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are so cute. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below, subscribe if you do, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!